Hey there friends, look what just arrived. This is the DiscCraft chainstar Lite disc golf basket. We're gonna do a quick unboxing, we're gonna do a setup, and we're gonna do a quick review. Stick with us. So we actually picked this up on Amazon, and you can see that it's shipped directly from DiscCraft. If you're interested, I'll put a link in the description box below where you can pick it up on Amazon for yourself. It's the chainstar Lite disc golf basket. We got the black one. And yeah, we're gonna go ahead and get into it. Let's open this up and see how everything looks. Okay, so inside that outer box, this is what the actual packaging looks like. Again, it's that chainstar Lite. You can see there's a few little specifics that are on the box here. We've got protective industrial coating. It's got a heavier zinc coated chains, which stand up to the weather a little bit better. 12 inner and outer chains to really grab those discs as they're going in. We've got an ultra durable 7mm cage structure. And then we've got a super stable 4-leg base, and there's a few little pins that actually go into that base to keep it into the ground. So again, there's your basic overview. We also did one of these on the Axiom disc golf catcher. I'll put a link in the description box below if you're interested in checking out that one and seeing what the differences are between these two. Let's go ahead and dig into this box and see what's inside. Okay, so here's all the goodies included in the box. Obviously, we got the top with the chains. Those are zip tied to the top piece of the metal here. We've got some instructions. We've got the pegs, like I said, that go into the base that's standing up against the wall right there. We got the main disc catcher here, and then we have two poles that make up the stand. So let's go ahead and put this together. Okay, so first things first, obviously we got the stand sitting down here on the mulch here in the front yard. And then we've got our pole that has two of the bolts sticking out of it. That's gonna be the one that goes in first. I'm just gonna stick that down here, and we're just gonna tighten that down into place. Okay, you can see the seams are nice and flush down at the bottom. So we're ready to put on the disc catcher now. Okay, basically all I'm gonna do is just slide this right on top, just like that. Nice and easy. And that's sitting nice and level. We're gonna take our second piece of the stand now. Now this pole has one hole in the bottom and then a cap on top, and that will let you know which end needs to obviously screw down into the disc catcher here. So I'm just going to, again, clockwise, we're gonna put that down and screw it into place. Okay, so there is the stand put together so far. Next thing we're gonna need to do is actually unscrew the cap. This is the other end of that second pole. And as you can see, when you remove the cap, you get an end that has a bolt right up into the cap there. And that's gonna allow us to drop our chains right on top of here. Okay, so here's our chains. This is actually pretty heavy, so use a little bit of caution, obviously. We're gonna take these two bottom rings, we're gonna slide those over the poles, and then this is going to be placed right down on top. And once you have it in place, we're gonna take our little end cap and we're just gonna screw that down in top, and that keeps everything nice and flush and together. So again, if you wanna stake this into the ground to keep it a little bit more stable, you can actually put those stakes all around the base here. But again, for now, because we want to move this around a little bit, we're going to leave those stakes out. Okay, there you have it, friends. That is the DiscCraft chainstar Lite. A great little basket. Again, we'll be using this over the next couple months. We're actually building a home disc golf course on some new property that we purchased. So stay tuned. You may want to subscribe. Those videos are going to be coming out soon. And let us know what you think. If this has been helpful, hit that thumbs up button. Again, if you want to buy this specific catcher, check out our links in the description box below. And we'll see you again on the next one.